Do you ever wonder how much time you spend scrolling on Facebook every day? Is it just a few minutes or way more than you think? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to check your time spent on Facebook on Android. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then, tap Settings. Now scroll down and tap Time Management. Here, you will see your activity dashboard, the average time you spend per day using Facebook in the past 7 days. Then, swipe left and see Daytime Average. Again, swipe left and see the Nighttime Average. From the bottom, you can turn on Sleep Mode or Daily Limit. From here, you can set daily time reminders. That's how you can easily find out how much time you spend on Facebook. If this video helps you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Thanks for watching!